Welcome to Explore. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like. Congratulations. You've taken a beautiful step forward. You're starting a new chapter in your lives, filled with endless possibilities and dreams. What better way to celebrate this new beginning than with a honeymoon? A time to unwind and enjoy each other's company. It's a time for connection, adventure, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Imagine exploring new places together. Picture yourselves hand in hand, strolling along a moonlit beach, feeling the sand beneath your feet and the gentle waves at your side. Imagine sharing candlelit dinners with breathtaking views, toasting to your future as the sun sets on the horizon. Your honeymoon is a chance to escape the ordinary, to indulge in luxury and adventure. Whether you dream of exotic islands or charming cities, this trip is all about you. It's your time to explore, relax, and enjoy. It's about deepening your bond, celebrating your love, and creating a foundation for your future together. Let the excitement build as you plan this special journey together. Every detail, every moment is a step towards a beautiful adventure. Choosing the perfect destination is key. It's the first step in creating unforgettable memories together. Whether you're planning a honeymoon, an anniversary trip, or just a romantic getaway, the right location can make all the difference. Do you envision yourselves relaxing on pristine beaches? Imagine the sun warming your skin, the sound of waves gently lapping at the shore, and the feeling of soft sand between your toes. The Maldives, with its overwater bungalows and turquoise waters, whispers romance. Picture yourself snorkeling in crystal clear waters, discovering vibrant marine life, or enjoying a private boat ride as the sun sets on the horizon. Perhaps you crave adventure. Explore the vibrant streets of Santorini, Greece, with its iconic whitewashed houses and stunning sunsets. Wander through narrow alleys, savor local delicacies, and capture breathtaking views that will stay with you forever. For a touch of history and charm, consider strolling hand in hand through the cobblestone streets of Paris. Visit the Eiffel Tower at sunset, enjoy a coffee at a quaint Parisian cafe, and immerse yourselves in the city's rich culture and romance. Don't forget about hidden gems closer to home. Sometimes the most magical places are just around the corner, waiting to be discovered. A cozy cabin in the mountains offers tranquility and a chance to reconnect with nature. Imagine sitting by a warm fireplace, hiking through scenic trails and enjoying the crisp mountain air. Or a charming bed and breakfast by the sea can be just as romantic. Wake up to the sound of waves, have breakfast with a stunning sea view, and take long walks on the beach, hand in hand, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Now let's talk planning. Start by setting a budget that feels comfortable. This will help you make decisions about flights, accommodations, and activities. Next, think about your must-haves. Do you envision luxurious spa treatments? Are you foodies eager to try local delicacies? Make a list together and prioritize. Remember to book flights and accommodations in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season. Don't forget travel insurance for a peace of mind. Traveling as two hearts entwined. Traveling as a couple is a beautiful thing, but it requires patience and understanding. It's a journey where you learn more about each other, discovering new facets of your relationship. Remember to communicate openly throughout the trip. Share your thoughts, your dreams, and even your worries. This openness will bring you closer. Share your excitement, concerns, and any adjustments you need to make. Embrace spontaneity. Sometimes the best adventures are the ones you didn't plan for. It's okay to deviate from the itinerary. Flexibility can lead to unexpected joys and discoveries. Some of the best memories are made when you least expect them. Most importantly, be present. Enjoy the little moments that make your journey special. Put away your phones and truly connect with each other. Look into each other's eyes, share a laugh, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Savor each moment, big or small. These are the moments that will define your journey together, making it unforgettable. Igniting the spark, romantic gestures. Infuse your honeymoon with thoughtful gestures. Surprise your partner with breakfast in bed, or a handwritten love note tucked into their suitcase. Plan a romantic picnic under the stars, or a sunset stroll along the beach. These small acts of love create lasting memories. Remember, it's the little things that count. A single rose, a heartfelt compliment, or a shared glance can speak volumes. Your love story awaits. Your honeymoon is the start of your greatest adventure together. It's a chance to relax, reconnect, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Embrace every moment, laugh often, explore new horizons, and most importantly, cherish the love that brought you together. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your dream honeymoon today. Your love story awaits.